welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be doing how to highlight your boobs using only highlight. How to make your boobs look bigger using only highlight. So the highlight I am using today is the Ofra Rodeo Drive. This is literally my ride or die highlight. It's what I have on the cheeks right now, as well as the brow, the tip of my nose, my inner corners, and the brow bone. So I did already highlight a little bit here and here just because I did not know I was doing this video, but I decided to do this video. So I have not highlighted my boobs. This is how they look normally, like nothing. See, you'll see how they look a cup bigger practically with a little bit of highlight on. Mind you, you do have to be aware that different highlights look different on different people. So if you're more darker toned, as well as if you are lighter than me, a lot lighter than me, you might not, the Rodeo Drive might not look as popping as you may think, or might not kind of go well with your skin tone as much as it would with mine. But for the most part, if it looks nice on your face, like if it's a good highlight that matches with your skin on your face, the likelihood of it matching your lower body is very likely. So just try to keep that in mind. Try to see any makeup videos or makeup tutorials that have highlights with your same skin tones, people who have your similar skin tone and skin type too, to see which highlight would be best for your face and also for your boobs. So let's get started. So I'm going to take the Ofra Cosmetics in Rodeo Drive with a Morphe M501 brush. It is kind of like a, well, it's like poofy. It's bigger than your natural eye brush, that's for sure. Look at it to my face. This is the perfect type of brush. I really do not recommend the fan brushes for your boobs. Here, these little bones here, the fan brush would be nice, and the face you can also use a fan brush, but for your boobs, you want to kind of get that round look, a rounded look. You don't want kind of flattened out boobs, so I would prefer a brush that looks similar to this. The brushes are very nice and soft. They are not thick, like, see the difference between, this is a Real Techniques contour brush. You see how it is a little bit thicker here and a little bit more dense when you feel it. This one kind of like just flows through and it's very small. I mean, it's not as huge. So, first off, I will take this little thing and tap. I always tap off excess no matter what, because Rodeo Drive has a lot of fallout, and so it's very good for when you want to get that bam glow, but at first you want to have to kind of get it a little bit softened. And so you want to like press them a little bit, and then first start off at where you see the lightest. So you see how there is a lighter part of my boob, and then you see the darker part kind of rounds it up here. So the trick to this is you kind of want to make the lightest part a little bit higher. So this also will give it a little bit more of a lift with, and then if you want, I'm not going to use any contour, but if you want, you can contour around here and a little bit down there to kind of give the illusion that there is more of a push. Take our little thing And again, you want to go in circular motions. And you kind of go where the lightest part is. Go a little bit down and a little bit up. Okay, try not to get it on your clothes too much. Okay, so you see the difference between this one and this one. This one kind of looks a little bit kind of pushed upward more and a little bit like bum. And you see it a little bit more when you rotate, rather than this one kind of looks a little bit flatter. And so the bigger you want your boobs, the higher you go. Also, you want to make sure that this little line stays there. You just want it to look a little bit more plumped up. Okay, now I'm going to do the other side. So what I've been starting to do is get this little triangle here and kind of draw that in a little bit more, as well as you see this little piece here, kind of highlight that. And there you have it. My boom, 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 boom. So that is my highlights tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Try it out and let me know if it works for you, if you see the difference. If you don't see the difference, let me know. Maybe I can add in a video with a little bit more of contour to help you shape in that depending on your bra size. I am naturally a B cup, but I do wear a little bit of a push-up bra, Victoria's Secret push-up bra, the normal ones. And so it normally brings it into like a C looking cup, but just in case I want a little emph and a little I use my highlighter. And every time I do this on one of my friends that they might not have as much boobs as me, it does give them more of a lift and more of a pop. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like and comment down below if you've tried it, if you haven't, and if you are willing to try it out. If maybe there is different kind of techniques to use for different size boobs. So I will try that out. Maybe I'll be able to have someone come on here and show you the different kind of sizes and with highlight. So, yeah. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified for my videos. Love you guys. Bye.